Yes, students, now we are going to discuss, we are going to learn up to 50 numbers. Up to 50 numbers. Then, here see, here in this picture, books were given. Here in the first row, one book is there. Second row, 1, 2. In third row, 1, 2, 3 books were given. 1, 2, 3, 4 books given in fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books were given. In the last 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here numerals, we have to write numerals. So how many were there here? 1. Only one book is there, one numeral. Here 2, 1 and 2, the numeral 2. And here 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6. These are the numerals. First we have to count here and write numerals. How many books were there? So that numeral we have to write here. After that, here number name. 1, O-N-E 1. 2, T-W-O 2. 3, T-H-R-E-E 3. 4, F-O-U-R 4. Then 5, F-I-V-E 5. Then this is S-I 6. Then write the numeral. Here we have to write numeral 3 times. Numeral means this one. 1, 1, 1. We have to write 1 3 times. 1. Then 2. 2 3 times. 2, 2, 2. Then 3 3 times. 3, 3, 3. Next 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6 and 6. So this first, in this picture, first we have to count how many books were there. So that we have to write numeral here. In first, one book is there. In here 1 and 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 books. Then after that, number name. Number name O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6. Then after that, numerals we have to write 3 times here. 1 3 times, 2 3 times, 3 3 times, 4 3 times, 5 3 times, 6 3 times. So in this way we have to complete till 6. Yes, now students, the last we wrote till 6. Now here again we count here how many books were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have read 7. Count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here 8. In this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this. Here we have to count and write numerals. And numeral name here. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Here 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Here 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Now this T-E-N. 10. Till 10. 1 to 10 now. So the previous we wrote till 6. Here 7, 8, 9 and 10. So numerals we have to write here 3 times. What is there here? 7. 7 3 times, 7, 7, 7 3 times. And here 8, 8 3 times. 8, 8, 8. Next 9 3 times. 9, 9, 9. Next 10 3 times. 10, 10, 10. So in this way we have to write and we have to complete the given box. First we have to count and write. As now students, here some objects are given. So these objects we have to count and write. In the first, balls are given, in the second, blocks are given. So balls we have to count and blocks we have to count and write in the box. Here box is provided, in this box we have to write. Here, how many balls? This is 1, this is 2. 1 and 2. So 2 balls. We have to write 2 here. And number of blocks. First count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 locks. That you have to write here. 2 balls and 8 locks. First we have to count the objects. Number of objects, that number we have to keep. Beside box is given. In that box we have to keep the number. Here also number of locks. We have to count number of locks and write here number in the box. Now students, we discuss about tens and ones. Tens and ones. How we add tens and ones, then what the answer will come. See here, there are some circles are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 tens. How many tens are there? 1 10 circles were there. One group of 10 circles were there. Then how many ones there? 1. The total how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And 11. It means 10 and 1 more. 10 and 1 more makes 11. Makes 11. 10 and 1. 10 and 1 makes 11. Makes 11. 1 10, 1 1 makes 11. Makes 11. In the same way, 10. How many tens were there? 1 10. 1 tens were there and 2 ones were there. 1 tens and 2 ones. It makes 12. 1 to 12. 12. It means 1 tens and 2 more. 10 and 2 more. 10. This is complete. 10 and 2 more. It makes 12. It makes 12. In the same way, 10. 10 and 3 more. 10 and 3 more makes 13. Makes 13. How? 3. 10 and 3 more. This is complete. 10 and this is 3 more. So it makes 13. It makes 13. It means 1 10 group is there and 3 ones were there. So if we add, then we make 13. Then we make 13. Here. Here. In the same way, here 1 10 group is there and 4 ones makes 14. Makes 14. 10 and 4 more. 10 and 4 more. It makes 14. It makes 14. Here, in the same way, 10 group is 1 there, 1 10 group is there and 5 ones. 10 more than 5. 10 more 5. 10 more 5. If we add, then it makes 15. It means 10 and 5 more. 5 more, it makes 15. It makes 15. It means 1 tens. 1 tens group and 5 ones group. 5 ones group. It becomes 15. It becomes 15. Like previously explained, the same pattern. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We explained till 15. 10 and 1 more. 11, 10 and 2 more. 12, 10 and 3 more. 13, 10 and 4 more. 14, 10 and 5 more. 15. So this is the pattern. 10 ones and 1 1. That is 11, 10 ones, 1 tens and 2 ones. 12 and 3, 1 10, 3 tens and 3 ones. It makes 13. So similarly, so 15 means 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 10 and 5 ones, 15. So this is the pattern. 15, 20, whatever it is. If 15 means 110 and 5 ones. 15. 14 means 110 and 4 ones. 14. 12 means 110, 2 ones. 12. 11 means 110 and 1 ones. It is 11. So this is the pattern 11, 12, 13, 14. Now here counting tens. So how to count tens? 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens, 5 tens. Then how to count tens? Listen here. Here necklace. This is the necklace. So Shilpa made one necklace. How many necklace? She made only one necklace. She used 10 beads. How many beads she used? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads she used. It means 1 tens. 1 10 is equal to 10. Then after that, Nitin made. So Nitin made 2 necklaces. How many? 1 and 2. He used 20 beads. In each 10 beads were there. So into 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 beads he used. Then 2 tens. This is 1 10, this is 1 10. Total 2 tens. 2 tens is equal to 20. 2 tens is equal to 20. In the same way, Karthik made 3 necklaces. How many necklaces? 3 necklaces. So in each necklace 10 beads were there. 10, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. In 30, 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 3 tens is equal to 30. In the similar way, if 4 were there, then 40. Then 4 tens 40. If 5 is there, then 5 tens 40. So, like that, if 1 tens is 10, 2 tens is 20, 3 tens is 30, 4 tens 40, 5 tens 50. So in that way we will get 6 tens 60, 7 tens 70, 8 tens 80, 9 tens 90. Okay. Now students, here. So we have to count how many tens were there and how many ones were there. So in the first, this is first group, this is second group, and that is third group. This is the fourth group. Then how many tens? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the third group. Total how many tens? 1, 2, 3. Means 3 tens. 3 tens. Then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 ones. 3 tens, 5 ones. 3 tens, 5 ones. That is 35. 35. 3 tens, 5 ones. It becomes 35. It becomes 35. Then the similar way. Here this is one group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group. Total how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. 4 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 4 tens, 8 ones. That is 48. This is 48. 4 tens and 8 ones. That is 48. 48. Now students, here place values. So here ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. It is given number of bits given, number of bits drawn on ones place and tens place. According to this, that we have to find the number. We have to find the number, which number it is. Here, in the first one, in ones place, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3. In the tens place, 1 bit is there. It means here 1 bit is there. In ones place 10, tens place 1 will come. And in ones place, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3. 3. The number is 13. We have to count number of bits. How many bits are there in ones place, and in tens place? That we have to write here. In the same way, question number B, in tens place, how many bits were there? 2. Then 2 here. In ones place, no bit, nothing. So it means 0. Nothing means 0. Nothing means we have to take 0. In tens place, how many bits were there? 1. In ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bits were there. The number is 15. The number is 15. Here. In tens place, how many bits were there? 1. It means 1 here. In ones place, how many bits were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bits were there. The number is 16. The number is 16. Here, number of bits were given. So then we find number here. So we wrote here number. Here it's wise words given. Number is given. We have to draw number of bits. Number of bits. Here on tens place 1 is given. Means we have to draw 1 bit. Here 4 bits we have to draw. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the representation on abacus. Then 5 on tens place 5 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here 0 means no bit, nothing. So we have to leave like that only. Here also the same, 0 is there means nothing. Here 0 means nothing. And in tens place 2. 2 means number of bits 1 and 2. And in ones place 4 means 4 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way, in tens place in the next question 4 is there. Number of bits 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here 3 bits we have to draw. Like this. If number of bits were given, then we have to write the name. If number is given, then we have to draw number of bits. So we have to write number of bits. Here 3. 3 is given means we have to draw one more bit here. One more bit here. This is 43. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. And 3 means 3 bits. 1, 2, 3. 3 bits. In this way we have to represent. If number is given, we have to draw bits like this. If bits are given, then we have to count the number of bits and we have to write the number. Yes, students, here some problems given. So we have to write the solutions. Here 19 is given. 19, this is ones, this is tens. So ones plus 110. 110, 110 and 9 ones. 9 ones. That is 19. 19. We have to write number name also. Number name also. Here. Ones, tens. 110, 6 ones. That is 16. 16. Here 28. 28 means 2 tens, 8 ones. That is 28. 28. Then 45. 4 tens, 5 ones. 5 ones. 45. In this way we have to write. How many ones, how many tens we have to see here and write. So this is tens value, this is ones value. Tens value is 1, 9, ones value is 9. 1 and 9. 1 and 6. 1 tens and 6 ones. 2 and 8. 2 tens and 8 ones. 28. 4 tens, 5 ones. 45. 45. Here, write the number that is 1 10 and 8 ones. 18. The number is 18. 1 10 and 5 ones. 15. 1 5 15. 1 tens and 6 ones. 16. 1 6 16. 3 tens and 7 ones. 3 7. 3 7. That is 37. 37. And here, write in words. This number is given. We have to write in words. How to write in words? 1 10 and 1 1. 1 1 11. 1 1 means 11. That is then 1 7. 1 10 and 7 1 means 1 7. That is 17. In the same way, 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 6 36. 3 6 36 is the number. So whatever he asks, so how many tens are there, how many ones are there, we check, and according to that we have to write the number.